Okay. Alright guys, so today I am going to be placing my new Calathea Orbifolia into a new pot. I just got it off of Walmart.com, and you know what? I've been able to find a lot of my plants, crazy enough, from Walmart. I hadn't even been shopping there, don't even have an affiliate with them or anything, but I think it's just nice to know sometimes where you can get your plants because you're searching all the time. Sometimes you can't even find, you know, the name of it. You just see a really cool plant, then along your journey you end up finding the name, but you can't find where you can get it. So I was able to find this Calathea Orbifolia from Walmart.com, and it came packaged really well. I like how they put the tape over the soil. It looks like it's pretty moist on the inside, and it's a nice hardy pot. Prevent it from breaking or damaging the roots during shipping. So I like how it was packaged and I like how it was shipped, but clearly it needs a new pot just to give it the ability to grow and expand. So with this right here, it obviously is much bigger than the pot that is in, but I want to be able to put it in a pot where it can grow and expand as well, where it won't face overcrowding, but it also has, what I keep saying, room to grow. So I'm going to do a similar technique that I did with my peace lily, and I'll end up showing you guys that at the end of this video. But with the peace lily, I got it January 2019, and the way I potted that was putting rocks at the bottom, and this is a great way to create drainage for your house plants, and you can water inside. So I'm just going to put one layer of rocks inside. Layer of rocks. And I'm going to go ahead and add the potting soil. And honestly, I wish this potting mix wasn't so good because it's so freaking expensive. It really is. And it's much better than other stuff. Like the off-brand ones that I keep finding, it's almost dirt-like in terms of the texture, but this is hardy. And you can see, like, for instance, like the perlite that they add to it, it's really good. So I'm just gonna get my clumps of soil after I put in the first layer of rock. And I'm filling it about maybe, I call it 3/5 of the way. I wanted to say 3/4, but not quite. I'm filling it about 3/5 of the way, giving about that much space between the rim. That way when I put it in, there's still about a layer, about ½ an inch of topsoil that I'm going to leave open. So when I water it, the soil doesn't come all plopping over. And that is from wisdom. Because guess what? It has happened. Alright. Now I'm gonna go ahead and unpack this. Joe Budden reference. There's a lot to unpack here. Alright. So I'm unpacking my Calathea Orbifolia. Pretty easy. I like how they use the masking tape. It's really good. That way you don't get your plant like lopsided, plopped over, roots all exposed. Mind you, I did pay, this was $20 total, and because it's such a rare plant, I sort of was expecting that it would come this small, because it's hard to find. So what I'm doing is I'm gently taking it out. I was holding it by the stem, keeping a good grip on this, and slowly easing it out. And if you notice here, by doing it 3/5 of the way, I kept enough room to go ahead and add soil. So that's what I'm going to start doing. I'm going to keep one hand to hold the plant's firm and steady. So I can add soil around it. Now that I've created, you know, what you can consider as a wall or a barrier for the plant, it's able to stand on its own. And remember, I'm keeping about a 1/2 inch of space at that top rim just so I can water it and it won't all come dribbling right out. But remember, you have to press it down and keep it compacted, or else when you go to water it, you're gonna wonder why it dropped and fell like 3 inches. Again, all knowledge you pick up as you go. Nothing is learned overnight. You just slowly gotta find your niche and just, you know, start somewhere. So I pushed it down, it's compacted. So look, it looks nice. It looks like it's ready to be watered. You've got some nice holes. Again, this is the pot I've just reused. Just reused this pot. I'm gonna go ahead and water it, and then I'll show you guys where I placed it. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, go ahead and follow, like, subscribe. I've got a cool video coming up about the Anthurium crystallinum that I'm excited about. I can't wait to get that and another rare breed plant. But I hope you guys like what you saw, and see you guys next time.